Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to modify the fly settings on HOVERair X1. To do it, go to Hover settings in the app, and now you'll have this flight settings section right here, and you can change the settings of hover, zoom out, follow, orbit, bird's eye, and custom. So let's go to hover first, and now you can change the shooting mode. I actually can't, but maybe you can, I don't know. Then duration, you can set it to 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 5 minutes, or continue. Then target tracking, you can enable or disable that. You can enable or disable vertical shooting and change the video quality. You can also click here to switch to the hover mode. Now you can see zoom out. You can also adjust these settings, but they are kind of different because you have video segments, you have distance, you actually can change the shooting mode here, you have the altitude, the vertical shooting can be also enabled, the video quality, and you can change the photo mode to normal or HDR, and you can also switch to zoom out mode. Then you can go to follow and adjust it as well. I think the settings are similar to the zoom out. Then you can go to orbit and change, for example, the radius, the angle, the altitude, the target tracking, etc. And you can also switch to the orbit mode. Then you can go to bird's eye, and you can also set it to shooting mode, video segments, altitude, rotation speed, and more. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.